Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Honda Jazz Crosstar. Now of course, as you'll see, it is finished in your premium paint, which is the shining grey. It does come with full LED headlights and LED fog lights, 4 front parking sensors, and then it does also come with these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, we've got 4 rear parking sensors along the bottom, and we've also got a reversing camera just up at the top there. Moving into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here as well. As you can see, we've got your 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with that level just there. Walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got the cloth grey interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've also got your contrasting white and black accent on the outer edge as well. We've got full keyless entry, keyless start. All 4 windows are fully electric as well. Moving over to the centre of the vehicle now, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your economy mode just here, and then we've got your CVT gearbox in the middle. Moving over here now, we've got 2 front heated seats and your climate control as well. We've then got a brilliant 9.5-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. Your various audio sources are just there as well, and of course we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left with your voice assistant, track select and volume. The home button, the bezel and the return button does control your onboard computer up top. Over on the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. And then we've also got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, this car has done 12,064 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.